There are unbreakable laws that govern the entire cosmos. They are also referred to as universal laws. Spiritual laws are just as reliable as physical laws and have an impact on every aspect of life on Earth. For thousands of years, mystics and philosophers have been aware of and discussed these spiritual laws, but most people in the modern world are unaware of them. Some of these laws deal with the physical world, while others relate to the quantum or spiritual realms. Many people hold the belief that if you fully comprehend and apply this spiritual law, you can make anything you want happen in the real world because of this law: what you sow is what you reap. These spiritual laws have been passed down through generations of wisdom and teachings, but they have not received widespread recognition and understanding. Numerous religious texts also uphold this rule. Whatever you plant in your mind will eventually manifest in the physical world, just as planting a mango tree requires you to first gather the necessary materials. This is because every action, thought, and intention you put forth into the world carries an invisible seed, an energy that seeks to return to us in equal measure. The same is true of your life. Your mind is the soil, your thoughts are the seeds, your deeds are the water, and your emotions are the sun. You choose which mango seed you would like to plant, provide it with plenty of water, and when the time is right, that seed will sprout into a mighty mango tree. The universe is fair. It responds to the seeds you sow and faithfully produces what you have planted. If you sow seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, you will reap a harvest of despair. If you sow seeds of love, gratitude, and abundance, however, you will thrive with beauty and joy. The law of nature states that if you sow seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love, they will all return to you in abundance. According to Steve Maraboli, most people have a tendency to concentrate on and think about the things they don't want in life. This is because everything in the universe expands when attention is focused on it, and this is because everything in the universe is made up of energy. Because of the strong connection between your ideas and the world outside of you, anything you think about repeatedly and intensely is likely to come to pass. The double-slit experiment, which demonstrates that our conscious observation can influence the outcome of an experiment and shape reality itself, is one of the final places where this idea finds support in quantum physics. To put this principle into practice, take a moment to think about what you want to achieve in your life, whether it be something personal or related to your work. Take a piece of paper and write down your goal. Be as specific as you can when describing your goals. Putting it in paper will help you make your objective more clear and bring focus on your goal. Then take a moment to picture yourself having achieved it. Close your eyes and picture the circumstances surrounding your success. Allow yourself to feel the emotions of joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment that would result from doing so. By visualizing and connecting with these positive emotions, you can cultivate a sense of positivity and confidence. Action is the link that makes your ambitions a reality, because thoughts and words alone cannot help you achieve your goals. It is therefore time to move forward with your plan of action. Break it down into smaller, more manageable steps that you can complete each day. These steps could be actions like making calls, sending emails, conducting research, or taking any other action that brings you closer to your goal. Keep in mind that it takes consistent, intentional action to create the life you desire. Have faith in the process. Your time will come. Just do the work. The results will take care of themselves. Trust that the universe is on your side. Have faith that everything is working out as it should and that you will succeed. Accept the idea that you'll get what you want when it's right for you, my friend. Sow the seeds of expectation in your imagination and develop optimistic expectations for success. Believe in your ability to overcome any challenges and flaws, and be aware that you have the ability to sow either happiness or suffering, prosperity or poverty. Because you always get what you sow, everything is up to you. Encourage others and yourself with words of love, and let your words serve as a beacon of hope, illuminating the way to your goals. If you are still here, sow the seeds of generosity and compassion, for they will bear a rich harvest of generosity and abundance. Congratulations for your dedication to learning new things. I would be thrilled if you could stop thinking and share this video, and I hope you have a genuinely lovely day. May these laws always be in your favor as you navigate your life.